Good morning. So today we will look into redundancy of storage account. To make the data as highly available, we make use of this redundancy. High availability of your data stored on Azure to storage accounts. Azure storage always stores multiple copies of your data to protect it from planned and unplanned events. So there are four types: LRS, that is local redundancy store. The second one is ZRS, zone redundancy store. Third one is GRS, that is geo redundancy store. Fourth one is GZRS, that is geo zone redundancy store. So we will look into the first, that is local redundancy store. 3 copies of your data are made within a single data center. Lowest data redundancy. So you can see in the primary region 3 copies are stored in a single data center. So what is ZRS? Zone redundancy storage. Entire data center goes down, then replicated across 3 Azure availability zones in the primary region. So you can see in the primary region there are 3 availability zones and the copies are also present. 3 copies are present in 3 availability zones, that is ZRS. Now geo redundancy store. If entire region is down, then 3 copies of your data are made in the primary region using LRS and 3 copies in secondary region using LRS. Primary region is Central India, you can see, and second region is South India. Like this is just an example. So primary region and secondary region you can see in the diagram. So the data is replicated using LRS in the primary region and data is replicated in secondary region using LRS. So what is the next one? The fourth one is geozone redundancy store. 3 copies of your data stored inside availability zone in primary region. So this is ZRS, right? And 3 copies in single physical location using LRS in secondary region. So uses ZRS in the primary region and also geo-replicates your data to a secondary region. Geozone redundancy storage available in many regions and is recommended for protection against regional disasters. So you can see in the diagram it is very much clear. In the first, the primary region, the data is replicated using ZRS and in the second region using LRS. Note the primary difference between GRS and GZRS is how data is replicated in the primary region. Within the secondary region, data is always replicated synchronously 3 times using LRS. LRS is the secondary region. It protects your data against hardware failure. Thank you.